Hello, this is our activity of school. Adventist grade 2. I am grade 2. First is journey now. Science now is ang class syempre we're Tagalog version. Fourth is math. 5 is HIAS. 6 is Bible. Coding is SP. 7 is math. On the mapping is music RPE Hell. Now on the 8 is writing. The 9 is computer. Here's the note. Here's the book. Journey English. Science. Angkla for Filipino. Math. And here's the HIAS for wala sa Bible. Mape. Writing. And this